In this video, we're going to learn how to process credit sales in MYOB. So two examples we're going to look at. So here are two credit sales. On June 1, the business sold 10 dresses to Clothing Depot. And on June 5, the business sold 10 skirts and 15 dresses to Clothing Us. So they've made sales, but they haven't collected the money for those sales yet. All right, in MYOB, first thing we need to do is from this main screen, click on Sales and then go to the center, enter Sales. We're going to go in here. Now, up the top, we need to choose the customer. So this little drop-down arrow from the question, it was sold 10 dresses to Clothing Depot on June 1. So Clothing Depot. Once I've clicked that, I'm going to press Tab on my keyboard. Then I'm going to change the date. It was 1st of the 6th, 2016. Now we're going to ship. This is where we enter how many items we sold. So we sold 10 dresses. So we're going to put 10 in there. Tab, back order, leave blank. Tab again, you get to item number. Press Tab again. We have our two options. They were dresses. So we're going to click on dresses. Tab again, all this should pre-fill for us. So they're $100 each. They bought 10 to get to that 1,000 total. All this will pre-fill, so we leave everything here. This is all good, and we click record. It'll do its thing. Mine says not responding. It can be a bit glitchy. Just leave it and wait. All right, that's now done. When you enter a transaction, this screen actually stays up. The transaction has been recorded, but this screen stays up. Let's have a look at our next one. On June 5, we sold 10 skirts and 15 dresses to Clothing Us. So to enter that, same process up here in Customer, Clothing Us. The date has changed. It's not the 1st, it was on the 5th. So I'm going to change that to the 5th. Ship. So we've got 10 skirts. So I'm going to go 10, tab across till we get to item number. That was skirts. Everything else should fill in for us. So I'm just going to keep pressing tab. And then we also shipped 15 dresses. So I'm going to put 15 in here. Tab across, select my dresses, everything else should pre-fill. This today is nothing, this all stays blank. Sorry, we leave all this and we just click record. I'm now going to show you quickly how we can check that we did those transactions correctly. So let's just cancel out of this screen now. Down here in this transaction journal, this is where we can check the actual journal entry to see what it looks like. So up here, I'm just going to change the date to 2014 to 2016, so a big date range, and then down here go to all. So this is going to show me all the transactions, all the journals that I've entered. These first ones at the top are pre-conversion balances, so don't worry about them. What we're worried about is here. This sales journal, SJ stands for sales journal, on the 1st of the 6th. So this is what we actually entered. So you can see here, accounts receivable, $1,000, the dress sales, the GST, the inventory, and the cost of sales. So that journal entry relates to that first transaction that we processed. So we can see that we're correct by checking the journal. The one on the 5th, accounts receivable, $2,300. So we can see again that the journal entry is correct in here. If we did make a mistake, let's say we entered the wrong date, you can actually go into this journal. So let's click in here. So in here you can change a date if you made a mistake with the date, or if you made a mistake with a number here, the amount that you shipped, you can make changes in here.